In this video, we will discuss natural and medical ways to expel phlegm when coughing, so that your throat feels relieved and breathing is more comfortable. If you have a cough with phlegm or often feel like you have a lot of mucus in your throat, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Before we get into the methods, we need to know first, what is phlegm and why does it appear? Phlegm is mucus produced in the respiratory tract. Its primary function is to protect, moisturize, and help clear the airways of foreign particles and microbes. But when you have a cold, allergies, acid reflux, bronchitis, pneumonia, or other irritation, phlegm production can increase, making it more bothersome. A productive cough occurs when the body tries to push out the mucus so that it doesn't block the airways. So, the first step is to help the body expel it, either naturally first and if necessary with medical treatment. Here are some home remedies you can try to help expel phlegm. 1. Drink warm water. Warm water can help thin mucus, making it easier to expel. You can also substitute warm, decaffeinated tea like chamomile or peppermint. 2. Consume honey. Honey is known to soothe coughs and help thin mucus. It can be consumed directly as a tablespoon or mixed with warm water. However, avoid giving it to children under 1 year old. 3. Lemon or lime juice. Mix warm water with lemon juice. Lemon contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help fight infection and support the immune system. 4. Ginger. The gingerol content in ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, can relieve irritation, and help thin mucus. You can steep bruised ginger in warm water. 5. Spicy foods. Consuming slightly spicy foods, including chili peppers, can stimulate mucus production, helping to expel it. However, don't overdo it as this can disrupt digestion. 6. Essential oils, e.g. eucalyptus. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the steam. This helps loosen mucus and makes breathing easier. But be careful. Don't do this for too long, and consult your doctor if you're pregnant. 7. Gargle with salt water. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for a few seconds. This method helps thin mucus and kill germs that trigger phlegm production. 8. Avoid triggers for excess phlegm. For example, caffeinated and alcoholic beverages, cigarette smoke, air pollution, and foods that trigger mucus reactions in the body. If natural methods don't work, or if your symptoms worsen, you can consider medical treatments or consult a doctor. Here are some options. Expectorants. Medications that work by thinning mucus, making it easier to expel. Examples include guaifenesin or ammonium chloride. Mucolytics. This class of drugs, e.g. bromhexine or ambroxol, helps break down the viscosity of phlegm, making it thinner. Antibiotics. Only given if a productive cough is caused by a bacterial infection. Your doctor will prescribe them. Important. Complete the prescribed dose to prevent resistance. When should you see a doctor? 1. If the complaint does not improve after a few days. 2. If the cough with phlegm lasts more than 3 days. 3. If there is a fever, shortness of breath. 4. If the phlegm is greenish-yellow or contains blood. In this condition, immediately consult a doctor to get further treatment. Some additional tips to make your health condition more effective. 1. Get enough rest to keep your immune system working optimally. 2. Maintain indoor humidity. Use a humidifier if necessary. 3. Sleep in a slightly elevated position to prevent mucus buildup. 4. Control your diet. Avoid foods that cause reflux or irritation. 5. Consistency. Natural methods take time, so be patient and do it regularly. So, those are some natural and medical ways to help expel phlegm when coughing. Hopefully, this information is helpful for those of you experiencing mucus in your throat.